All right, just got back from the Pathfinder school late last night. Had two classes over there. Had a military class for a group out of Northern California. I don't remember the name of the base they ran, to be perfectly honest with you. But it was an Air Force group. So those guys did really well. It was a little hectic at the class this week since we had two classes run concurrently over Thursday and Friday. The military guys had a 5-day class, Monday to Friday, and then we had an intermediate class, which, contrary to popular belief, was not a military-only class. Somebody got that through their head. I don't know how they did, but it was not a military-only class. We had a lot of civilians in that class. We had a few veterans in the class, but just like we always do. But that was an intermediate class. It ran from Thursday to Sunday. That class started out with 17 or 18 I believe, and we graduated 9. Out of the 9, I think 5 actually patched for the intermediate class. So that's what we got going there. And today I wanted to announce the winner of the Woodsman's Wedgie. Brand spanking new, still shiny. All right, so I cut off the commenting earlier today, and I didn't actually officially cut off the commenting. I just made a comment, and anything before that back in history was eligible. Anything after that was not. Then I ran all those comments. I counted them all up and ran that through a random number generator, and comment from Lee was actually the winning comment. So, Lee, if you're watching this, you're going to be the owner of a brand new Woodsman's Wedgie. I need you to contact me through the Salty Dog Outdoors page on Facebook, or send a YouTube chat request, and I'll answer you that way. And give me your name and address and all that kind of stuff, and I'll get this thing out to you as soon as you do that. So, with that going on, as far as news goes, I'm finally back up on the internet. Local rural telephone cooperative actually ran fiber out my road over the last month or so, and shockingly, I was actually eligible to get it, and I have blazing fast internet right now. So I downloaded a 160-minute movie within about 5 minutes of them powering me up, and it took less than 3 minutes to download that movie. So I'm extremely happy. But then again, that means I've got a whole bunch of work to do. I got a lot of stuff to catch up on. I got to catch up on YouTube. I got to catch up on Rumble. I got to catch up on Patreon. So those of you who subscribe to me on Patreon, I really, really appreciate that. The YouTube channel is not monetized. It will probably never be monetized because my views are not in keeping with YouTube community standards. So even once I get enough view time and enough subscribers and all that kind of thing, that would probably never approve me for being monetized. And even then, I won't be making any money because I'm not shooting for hundreds and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Don't get me wrong, that would be really nice. But I can't imagine 100,000 people even wanting to hear what I've got to say. So, all that being said, thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Click over to the main channel page and give some of my buddies over there some views. Once again, Lee, you're the winner. Talk to y'all later. Bye.